Hello and thanks for watching us. Redkey launched the P7 handheld cordless vacuum cleaner a couple days back, adopting affordable pricing. So in this video, we will introduce you to all specifications, cleaning performance, including pros and cons. Nowadays, we cannot imagine our house without stick vacuum cleaners, right? They are useful around the kitchen and other areas of your home when you have an annoying spill and don't want to get out dustpan and the brush. You easily put it into a cupboard. They can be held on the wall than the traditional barrel or upright vacuum cleaners. And also, it can be transferred into two devices from handheld vacuum to the stick vacuum. So that's why Redkey provides the most common and useful devices for household chores. So let's take a look at what is inside of the box. By receiving P7, you will see a tiny little box with all the main information on the cover. It contains a number of tools for reaching all areas of a room and head attachments for both carpet and hard floor. You'll find battery, 2-in-1 dust brush, crevice tool. This one is V-line brush with the hard and soft comb. Metal extension tube. It is motorized head brush right here. This one is charger. It's fixed hanging dock. And the last one, the motor itself. Redkey cordless vacuum with a powerful 250 motors provide a 22 kPa strong suction to meet every cleaning demand. Picks up the debris and dust, crumbs and pet hair in a minute. An on and off switch is easier for a continuous operation. As you can see, this one is standard motorized head suitable for both carpet and hard floors. Another one is perfect for soft, medium and high pile carpets. The head can be maneuvered up and down 90 degrees and 180 degrees from left to right. So Redkey P7 performs well on all kinds of hard floors, carpet, etc. The time when you use Redkey P7 motorized brush head part, LED lights will turn on. It helps you to find the hidden dirt on the surface like floor, carpet, and main important, under your bed. I like the part that the connection to the tube is easy for disassemble and ensemble, so it can be adjusted according to your needs. It can be used as either a stick or handheld vacuum. The standard items to check for are a dusting brush and crevice tool. They are right here. If you need to clean a hard-to-reach spots in your car between your sofa, Redkey P7 is a great option because it has its useful crevice tool. And everybody knows that the handling vacuums are great for cleaning up quick messes and getting into hard-to-reach spots. The most common examples are like interior in an office and surfaces around your house that aren't on the floor for sure, such as countertops, window sills, curtains, keyboard and shelves. Using 2-in-1 dusting brush, it can be vanished in a second. And the compact size of the Redkey P7 always allows you to easily carry around the home while you're cleaning all of your stuff once you're done. The device uses a detachable battery which provides up to 30 minutes of battery life in eco mode and 50 minutes in the turbo mode. Well, it's not the most powerful vacuum I've ever seen, but 30 minutes runtime is quite enough to clean a large apartment of around 80 square meters. It uses a quick charge, so recharging time is faster than that of many similar models. A handy wall-mounted base will help you to keep the vacuum ready, accessible and fully charged. Oh yeah, it has the LED screen that shows you the battery level and minimum maximum cleaning mode. Due to the compact size, the dust capacity is 800 milliliters. You can hygienically eject all the dust and debris you have collected before in one simple action. I like that there is no need to touch the dirt. Moreover, a clear container is helpful for knowing when you need to empty it, which is also a huge plus. As I said previously, Redkey provides a device for an amazingly affordable and reliable price. This handheld cordless vacuum cleaner costs only €159, which is around like 177 USD. And talking about a HEPA filter, if you have allergic asthma, you should consider a vacuum with a HEPA filter. This vacuum cleaner comes with a pure purifier level discharge, which locks 99.99% of dust to avoid secondary pollution. The HEPA filter in the Redkey can be easily removed and cleaned or replaced. Overall, I think this vacuum cleaner will be welcome to any home, especially for those who live in the studio. For example, for students or house renters, you won't spend too much time vacuuming your place, right? But also you can keep it clean and tidy with a Redkey P7 for sure. And for such a low price, the P7 can generate 250 watts of suction power. No wonder that Redkey P7 has such a strong suction force of 22 kPa. I personally would probably suggest this vacuum cleaner to my friends if they consider purchasing a budget-friendly cordless vacuum cleaner. I also think that you don't have to spend thousands to buy just stuff like a vacuum cleaner, especially when you live alone. And of course, I would like to share some kind of suggestions like how do I care of my stick vacuum cleaner. Here, I decided to share some tips for vacuum cleaner users. Some of them are very obvious but still necessary. Due to the smaller dustbin, the stick vacuum needs to be emptied more frequently. Hair and fluffs must be also removed regularly from the rollers. Yeah, from this side and this side also. And the filter should be washed once in a month and replaced when it's necessary. Maybe just broke it or something else happened, I don't know. And wash your HEPA filters once a week. Wait till it gets dry to use them next time. Okay, thank you guys for watching our video. We work hard to make sure you keep coming back for the content we produce every week. And if you're not a subscriber, kindly click on this button. And if you have any concerns, just let me know in the comment section below. Okay, bye. See you later.